Since the year 2000, the World Cancer Day is observed every year on February 4th. It is a global initiative led by the Union for International Cancer Control to raise global awareness on cancer and encourage its prevention. The primary goal of World Cancer Day is to significantly reduce illness and death caused by cancer. This initiative originated in 2000 at the first World Summit Against Cancer, which was held in Paris. At this meeting, leaders of the government agencies and cancer organizations from around the globe signed the Charter of Paris Against Cancer, a document containing 10 articles that outlined a cooperative global commitment to improving the quality of life of cancer patients and to the continued investment and advancement of cancer research, prevention and treatment. Article 10 of the Charter formally declared February 4th as the World Cancer Day, so that each year the Charter of Paris will be in the hearts and minds of the people around the world. Thank you.